This is the freight elevator at the 733 Washington Road, Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. This one's pretty nice. This is the freight elevator. This used to be an old Haughton. Elevator A. This one's pretty slow. As you tell, this used to be a Haughton. Hi. Same beautiful wood cabs. This one's covered. This one's the freight. Interesting, this one is in-car lanterns rather than the ones outside in the passenger. Thinking now it's a new install. LL. Haughton. Look at that. There's your lanterns. Door close button works. Let's get a cab view. This is the freight, just like the other one. Very nice. Look at the door here, you see hi. Series 1 fixtures. Hands-free age code compliant phone. There's also an OTIS phone. Capacity 3,000 pounds. There's your fire service. Very nice. It's quite slow elevator. This one's not reflective, only the doors are. But the OTIS's at 650 are very rare. And it used to be Haughton. And this one used to be Haughton. There it goes in. That's it.